The favorite sweet na sweet. And the race is on sweet na sweet. I remain the naughty inside Dr. Jude. Rushing up 7A Princess Elka running fearless. Down in 6 Santiago running in 7th position Dustin Cut. Down on the inside number 3 Words of Joy in between runners Stout-Hearted. Then followed in by Amarosa 10th position belong to Lovely Tara. And rushing up century number 9 Dodson Hawk racing third last and racing second last number 3 Incorruptible and Modern Classics running 14th. Dr. Jude Sweet na Sweet Princess Erica is running in third as they race the final corner. It's Dr. Jude Sweet na Sweet and moving up down on inside Princess Erica is down hard at sneaking down on the inside and Fearless in the middle is down hard at Dr. Jude Sweet na Sweet Fearless running in the middle Sweet na Sweet Fearless down hard down on the inside Fearless doing the better start hard close sweet na sweet your rather number 6 Santiago close 6A Modern Classic Incorruptible.